Hi, Romans and Galatians students. Welcome to Unit 2. Sorry about the grainy darkness and background. As you can tell, I'm in a hotel away at a conference this week, but very much keeping tabs on your work and engaging with you in the Galatians material. In fact, I've already graded your discussion posts and your paper proposals for Unit 1. I recognize that the paper proposal is actually an ungraded assignment, but nonetheless, I've given personal feedback on the passage or theme you've selected along with some further notes, so I hope you'll go into Moodle and check that out. I've also graded that discussion post. Remember, the way that you get all the points on the discussion post is to show your reflection with the textbooks, in this case the Oaks readings, and also to be sure to answer any follow-up questions that I happen to have from the textbook itself. This week we're going to be jumping into the second part of Galatians and focusing specifically on this contrast that Paul draws between the flesh and the spirit. Paul coins this particular usage of each of these terms in his own unique way. The flesh, for example, for Paul means everything that is wrong with humanity, and the spirit is the means by which God rescues humanity from the effects of the flesh. So I trust that our discussion will be robust together. In addition to the discussion post and the reading from Oaks, you also have two writing assignments due this week. The first is a reflection paper, and the second is a list of sources. On the reflection paper, you want to make sure that you are engaging the Oaks reading rather than just simply giving your own devotional interpretation of the Galatians text. So I'm looking for citations of Oaks within your paper, and you want to make sure that it meets the 4-page minimum requirement, which is inclusive only of the body of your paper. No need to turn in a bibliography or title page for this. You may do that, but I don't need that. I'm just looking for your name and 4 pages of written material engaging Oaks, as well as some of the supplementary materials that we'll be looking at this week. Secondly, the research sources should adhere to the research paper guidelines. By that we mean we're only looking to use approved sources that are laid out in those guidelines. A great way to get approved sources from your home is the ATLA database, which you have free access to through the Lee University Library. And I will upload a video walking you through how to access that database successfully. I'm here for you all week. If I can be of any service, don't hesitate to email or call. God bless everybody.